अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम चैप्टर 3 बायोडाइवर्सिटी के हम जो है मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से जो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अहम है। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़, A species can be defined as a group of organisms that option A can breed with other kinds of organisms. Option B can breed with one another. Option C can live with one another. Option D cannot live with one another. The answer is option B, can breed with one another. Question number 2. Which one of the following sequence show the correct hierarchy of classification going from the smaller to bigger group? Option A, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Option B, species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Option C, kingdom, phylum, order, class, family, genus, species. Option D, genus, species, kingdom, phylum, order, class, family. The answer is option B, species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Question number 3. In which kingdom would you classify unicellular eukaryotes? Option A, only fungi. Option B, fungi and monera. Option C, fungi and plantae. Option D, only protista. The answer is option D, only protista. Question number 4. Different genera group together to form. Option A, class. Option B, phylum. Option C, family. Option D, order. The answer is option C, family. Question number 5. Which animal does not possess the ability to produce offspring? Option A, mole. Option B, horse. Option C, dog. Option D, tiger. The answer is option A, mole. Question number 6. Which of the following may be the correct way of writing the scientific name of an organism? Option A, Grant's Gazella. Option B, E. coli. Option C, Sinus lupus. Option D, Scarum. The answer is option C, Canis lupus. Question 7. How many species of animal have been discovered? Option A, 2 million. Option B, 3 million. Option C, 1 million. Option D, 1.5 million. The answer is option D, 1.5 million. Question 8. Viruses are assigned to the kingdom. Option A, fungi. Option B, monera. Option C, protista. Option D, none. The answer is option D, none. Question 9. In the oldest system of classification, the number of kingdoms was option A, 2, option B, 1, option C, 4, option D, 3. The answer is option A, 2. Question 10. According to 5 kingdom classification system, bacteria are placed in option A, kingdom protista. Option B, kingdom fungi. Option C, kingdom plantae. Option D, kingdom monera. The answer is kingdom monera. Option D. Question number 11. 5 kingdom system of classification was modified by Margulis are sword in option A 1978, option B 1988, option C 1928, option D 1988. The answer is option B 1988. Question 12. Ibn Rushd is also known as option A Avicenna, option B Aristotle, option C Averroes, option D Rushdul Ulum. The answer is option C. Question 13. A related group of genera comprises option A phylum, option B a class, option C a family, option D an order. The answer is option C a family. Question number 14. The basic unit of classification is option A kingdom, option B species, option C genus, option D class. The answer is option B species. Question number 15. The kingdom Protista includes option A true multicellular organism with prominent nucleus, option B unicellular and simple multicellular organism with prominent nucleus, option C true multicellular organism with no prominent nucleus, option D unicellular organism with no prominent nucleus. The answer is option B unicellular and simple multicellular organism with prominent nucleus. Question number 16. In case of plant, fungi and algae, phylum can also be called as option A division, option B subkingdom, option C kingdom, option D phyla. The answer is option A division. Question number 17. Classification mean the grouping of organism on the base of option A how they feed, option B how they respire, option C how they can survive, option D the feature they have in common. The answer is option D the feature they have in common. Question number 18. Biodiversity play a vital part in regulating the chemistry of our option A atmosphere, option B water supply, option C light, option D atmosphere and water supply. The answer is option D atmosphere and water supply. Next one. Question number 19. A certain organism in multicellular adapted for photosynthesis and has multicellular sex organ to which kingdom does it belong? Option A fungi, option B animals, option C plantae, option D protista. The answer is option C plantae. Question number 20. Each rank of classification is called option A genus, option B taxa, option C class, option D taxon. The answer is option D taxon. Question 21. The number of organisms on earth is approximately option A 1 million, option B 3 million, option C 2 million, option D 2.5 million. The answer is option C 2 million. Question 22. Viruses are not classified in any kingdom because option A they are too poorly understood, option B they are not considered organisms, option C. They are too small. Option D. Their genetic cannot be determined. The answer is option B. They are not considered organisms. Question number 23. Species that are in the same are more closely related than option A class order, option B phylum class, option C family order, option D family genus. The answer is option D family genus. Next, question number 24. Who divide plant into 15 groups and call them genera? Option A genre, option B Andrew Cyclopino, option C Ibn Rushd, option D Quirinus and Piton. The answer is option B Andrew Cyclopino. Question number 25. When the last member of a particular species die, the species is said to be option A endangered, option B extinct, option C threatened, option D established. The answer is option B extinct. Next, question 26. Major contribution of Ernest Haeckel in his introduction of option A Second Kingdom, option B Fourth Kingdom, option C Third Kingdom, option D Fifth Kingdom. The answer is option C Third Kingdom. Question number 27. Mustard belong to kingdom. Option A Plantae, option B Monera, option C Animalia, option D Fungi. The answer is option A Plantae. Question number 28. In binomial nomenclature, the first letter of the name is capitalized. Option A family, option B genus, option C species, option D class. The answer is option B genus. Question number 29. In which season Overbustard migrate to Pakistan and settle here? Option A autumn, option B spring, option C winter, option D summer. The answer is option C winter. Question 30. Class are grouped into option A kingdom, option B order, option C family, option D phylum. The answer is option D phylum. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.